So today I'm going to show you how to repot houseplant. Now this lovely beautiful plant has been in this pot for over 3 years. It has been getting feed, but it has just outgrown this pot by quite a bit. So this one's going to go into this pot, larger pot, and we're going to show you how you repot your houseplants for good nutrients and everything else. And that plant should be okay in there for the next 2 to 3 years, absolutely fine. You'll get lots of feed after a few months. So for the repotting, you need a larger pot, and obviously if you want a decorative pot, and obviously you need new, fresh, good indoor compost. Make sure you get good quality, guys, because some of these outdoor composts can have eggs and larvae, and then you can have flies and other problems. So good indoor houseplant compost. All right, so what we got here, good houseplant compost potting mix. Already got it in here, and I've added a little bit of vermiculite with this, so that's ready. Gloves, because you never know what they put in these compost. There's our new pots, the decorative outer pot. So take this one out of here, and you can see already, so this decorative pot will be reused for another plant. Put that to one side. Now you can see already here, can you see the roots? I'll show you. Look at the roots there. So it's definitely outgrown. Now what you're going to do is give it some squeeze. I can feel the root here. Wow. And you're going to pull it out. There he goes. Look at that. This is definitely definitely, look at the size of this guy. Size of a branch. So you're gonna get as much of this loose and old stuff off, because most of the nutrients is gone here. But it has been fed every month with a good quality plant food, indoor plant. Now this is what we call root bound, guys. The whole plant, the whole root has become enclosed. What you're going to do is you want to tease some of these smaller roots out, so they start to spread in the new pot like that. Can you see? There. Just like that. Go all the way around. Okay, so that's done. There's actually 2 plants here. There. I'm going to leave it as it is. So I've loosened it all up. Got loads of loose stuff out. That's brilliant. It's actually really done really well. That is a fantastic root. Now we need to put this to one side and get this pot ready. So in this pot, so we've got the pot, add some compost mix to the bottom, put the plant in and check for the height. That's almost there. A little bit more compost. And there we are. That's the height we want. Make sure it's in the middle and upright, and then just backfill all around. So this plant is quite top heavy, guys. So for that reason, I'm firming it down from the top to anchor the plant. All right, now next couple of weeks, this soil is gonna go down and you'll need to top it up. after it's settled, I plan to put some decorative stones on the top, and then that plant is done. All right. So now guys, gonna put this in the decorative pot and take it to its new home. Actually, it'd be easier if I put this on the floor. And there we are. One happy plant in a new pot. New compost. And looking and very, very happy plant. Awesome. A job well done. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and catch you on another video real soon. Bye for now.